Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Today we're in the garage. We've enlisted the help of Mum and Dad, and I'll show you what we're up to. Is it long enough?
Too long. It's got a bit, isn't it? Yeah. Quite a bit too big, isn't it?
I wonder what that smell was, but it's that plastic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got smell.
Horrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like an ice swimming pool, Ben.
Yeah.
Don't need a garage, do we? Who wants a garage? Swimming pool.
So as you can see, membrane is going down on the floor. And once all that's done, we've got some reinforcing to go in there. And then it's concrete. Oh yes.
Before concrete comes, if Tina can find some houses, you know.
Yeah. Plastic's all in on the floor. Talking to camera.
It's caught, isn't it? It's caught up there. Look, that one. Oh yeah. Look, it's close to a bent.
Yeah, I think I did that with the digger.
Oh, bloody kid. I'm gonna push it up.
Yeah, so we've got all the plastic membrane down, all up the sides. Just needs a bit of finishing off before we get the concrete lorry in. And Mum and Dad are now bringing the reinforcing through, and we've got some little feet to keep that up off the floor.
Yeah.
So we'll see what's going on over here.
Oh, I hope I don't laugh.
I'll have to put Benny Hill music on with this.
These are quite heavy.
Jabbed up my arm.
I don't want to start laughing. If I start laughing, I won't be able to do anything.
Oh, I'm only just out of the way.
Yeah.
I'll have to go back a bit more.
How many have we got put in here? I'll be able to put it down. I'll be able to pick it up again.
No, you have to.
Oh.
Something like that. Rock on it, then it no, I think we could straighten that up.
I've got that there for it.
Get it out anyway.
Next. I'll put that on one of the chateau probe.
I'll have to go around that way.
Tomato, tomato.
I know what you're saying. We're putting the old biddies to work, but yeah, exercise will do them good. Hopefully they didn't hear that. Ah, but they might watch this. Oh well, I'm treating them to a barbecue, so that should smooth things out.
Not in.
No.
Halfway got there.
Oh, I've got inches.
So I'm zooming into the grillage.
There's that stone there.
You can't have rent. Oh,
Round there. Well, it's the middle what's going in, isn't it?
plastic as big as that, and I used to do 4 metres.
Yeah.
Down that. Good. What's strong, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll put that bag of bits in there.
Yeah.
In there, please.
Not high. Well, one step nearer.
So that's it, membrane's down, reinforcing's in there. Dad started putting the feet on, but we need to just fix the plastic up on the sides of the walls. So when Tina comes back, we'll get her, find some nails out and we'll do that, and then Tina can go in there and just put the feet on. Did you put it on the 50 mils ones? So we're almost ready for concrete. So progress is being made. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and the old giffers over there, it's bye.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.